Alrighty guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of my new Gen Y Executive Torsion Flex hitch. It's a fifth wheel to gooseneck adapter for my 40-foot toy hauler. So let's go ahead and hop right into today's video. Alrighty guys, so we did just get our Executive Torsion Flex hitch out of the box. Well, kinda, I mean it's still in the box, but we did just get it opened up, and this is Christmas Day. I mean, this is such a beautiful sight to see. I've wanted one of these hitches for a long time, so huge shout out again to Gen Y for the opportunity to run one of these hitch on our F350 and toy hauler. So what we've got here is we have our 1/4-inch shims to fill the gap, if there is one, between the plates on our trailer now. So we're gonna pull the kingpin style hitch off. We're gonna replace it with this one. But first, today's just gonna be an unboxing video and showing you guys some of the features about this hitch. And then we're gonna be doing a video later about, Junior's also been helping me unbox this. So thanks for his help. If you guys want to see the full comparison video of the Anderson Ultimate hitch versus this hitch, we'll be posting that at a later date. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box the rest of the way and show you guys some of the key features and explain why we went with this hitch. Alrighty guys, getting this thing out of the box is just like Christmas Day. I can't wait to get this thing put on the truck. But just real quick, I want to explain why I switched over to one of these. So having a single rear wheel single rear wheel versus a dually, you don't have as much stability on the back of your truck. So when you use something for a short bed that's like the Anderson Ultimate hitch, you do have your pivoting like this, so your trailer can move and all that. The problem is, if the wind catches the side of your trailer, it has more freement to move. So this, being straight to the gooseneck, is not gonna have a ball on top of it. So this will help keep it straight, but also this Torsion Flex system that they have here. So these actually create as shock absorbers, or act as shock absorbers, and these will take a lot of that sway and a lot of that bouncy out of the road. But that's kind of all for today's video. Again, huge shout out to Gen Y for shipping me this Executive hitch to put on my trailer, and we'll see you guys on the next video.